Tired of manually typing dashes or numbers in Google Slides? Learn the one-click trick to add perfect bullet points instantly. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to press to add bullet points in under 30 seconds. So let's jump into it. First things first, open up your Google Slides presentation. You already know the drill here. Just head over to slides.google.com, find the file you're working on, and open it up. This is where the magic starts. Now, here's where most people get tripped up. They start typing their bullet points manually, hitting the space bar over and over, trying to get things to line up. But there is a much better way. You need to select the text box where you want to add your bullets. Or if you haven't created one yet, go ahead and make a new text box. Just click the text box icon in the toolbar, draw out your box on the slide, and wait for that blinking cursor to appear. I see a lot of folks skip this step and then wonder why the button doesn't work, so make sure you've got that text box ready to go. Now that you're in the slide and you've got your text box selected, look up at the toolbar. You're going to see a button that looks like a little list with 3 bullet points next to it. That is the bulleted list button. It usually has a small drop-down arrow next to it, so you might need to click that arrow to see your options. Just click that button or the arrow, and bam, you've just activated the bulleted list format. You'll see that first little circle or dot appear in your text box, ready for you to type into. And here's the really important part. Once you click that button, it remembers. You won't have to click it again for every single line. So go ahead, type your first bullet point. Whatever you needed to say, just type it right there. It could be one word, a whole phrase, whatever works for your presentation. When you finish that first line, you're going to press the Enter key. That takes us to the next step. To add more points, just keep hitting Enter after each bullet. Every time you press Enter, a new dot appears, ready for your next idea. This is where the speed really kicks in. You can rattle off a whole list in seconds without ever touching your mouse again. If you ever want to stop and go back to regular text, just click the bulleted list button one more time to turn it off. And that's it. That's really all there is to it. You've gone from awkwardly typing dashes and asterisks to creating clean, professional bullet points in just a couple of clicks. From AI Mastery, we're all about making those little productivity wins add up. Now you can spend less time fighting with formatting and more time building the slides that actually matter. Get out there and start typing.